Hello, so we are going to be looking at Jing. It's this yellow up at the top of the screen. You have capture, history, and more. You can capture what you see, record what you're doing, send your video or screenshot, and then there are step-by-step tutorials. You can click on these if you need help or whatever it may be. So I am going to go over here to my YouTube video, and I am going to go ahead and click on capture, and I'm going to go over my whole thing right here, and then I'm going to click capture video. Okay, for my students, I have a video here you guys can watch, and then there are 4 biomolecules. Proteins are combinations of 20 amino acid monomers. Carbohydrates are sugar monomers linked to form many. Nucleic acids are 5 kinds of nucleotide monomers. Lipids are non-covalent forces which maintain interactions between lipid monomers. I have a biomolecule chart you can click on here. I actually already have it open, I believe. It's over here. You can download the file actually. But anyway, you guys can do that later or in your free time. So these are just like some terms that I define, but keep in mind that structure determines function. And then I want you to know what the 3 main polysaccharides are and be able to come up with examples of each. I have another video for you guys to watch, and it's actually interesting. It was one of the best ones that I found. I have some enzyme examples you guys can look at, kind of know a little bit about what they are. Starch is like potatoes, and then I have an example of cellulose here too. Labs, you guys can click on these, and it can kind of take you like right here, and you can click on any of these and then like you can just view these or whatever. So then there's also another one you guys can look at. The 3 components of nucleotides are a nitrogen containing base, a phosphate group, and a 5-carbon sugar. You will need to know this. And then amino acid structure, we have an amino group, carboxyl group, hydrogen, and an R group. You'll need to know this as well. These are just the the links where I found those pictures. Lipid, you may not need to know this structure, but know the functions and examples of lipids. And as we are ending our presentation, I came up with some questions for you guys. What is the monomer of a protein? Why are enzymes called biological catalysts? What 3 components make up a nucleotide? And be able to draw and label the basic amino acid structure. Thank you guys.